5:04 and I'm just now starting the vlog because I've been editing vlogs and stuff. So yeah. I also haven't been vlogging because this is what we've been dealing with all day. I don't know why David feels the need to leave that door open. But yeah. All day long. It has been raining. Just all day. Like literally. It was raining all last night. It's been raining all day. I'm ready for the rain to be over. And it doesn't look like it's going to stop any day soon. I've been watching the, or checking like the Weather Channel and stuff. And it looks like it's going to rain every day. At least once every day. Till like next week. So yeah, that sucks major. And I did the new update, the new ISO update. So normally there's a little swipe button and you're supposed to swipe it to get to your home screen, but now you have to press the home button. Yeah. And then like your text messages look all funny now. So what is that? I don't even know what that is. Let's see. I have no clue what this is. You can draw now. Oh, that's cool. That's funny. Okay, so I don't think he knows, like, this is actually pretty cool, the whole drawing thing. It's actually really cool. So this is what it does. Like when I do it, when I send it to him, it actually writes it out and everything. And then that's a kiss. That's so cool. Let's see. That's so cool. Anyways, getting distracted by my own phone. Anyways, so right now I'm compressing the vlogs. I've gotten all the vlogs edited. He's such a tard. Sleeping. He ain't sleeping. So yeah, I've got the vlogs edited. Now I'm just compressing them to make them smaller so it doesn't take as long to upload. And so I should... Hello?
How are you going to call me a liar? That's exactly what I'm trying to do.
Why are you trying to sleep?
No, I'm waiting for my boss to come back to my job that they're doing. They're supposed to show me how to rekey a knob. And so they said that the guy said that they have some of my stuff here, and that I think that like they ordered a rekey set and all that stuff for me.
Mm-hmm.
Just for the job and all that stuff.
Mm-hmm.
He says that the last guy he bought it, I mean, it wasn't good. Well, it was good. It was a good set, but it wasn't like that high quality stuff.
Mm-hmm.
He actually bought me something very expensive. So he said he's going to show me how to rekey. Once I learn how to rekey, then they will be able to send me more jobs about.
Okay, so he called me because I was messing with the phone. Anyways, I found another cool thing that you can do, which is they have like these little video clips that you can send. So I sent him Michelle blowing a kiss and the Jonah Hill. I think that's his name. And then the Carlton doing the Carlton. And then Michelle saying, "That's not funny." I think that's funny. So yeah, I clicked the little, there's like a little, I don't know, little symbol, and then they have tons of images that you can send. What the heck is that? I don't even know. I'm gonna send him Fizz. I'm having way too much fun. Okay, anyways, so yeah. It's really making me super sleepy. So I've got, it's compressing second video file out of 5 files, so it's gonna be a little while longer before I can upload. I've got 2 that I still need to do thumbnails for, and I'm gonna do it in a minute, but yep, that's what's going on. So nothing. Anyway, so I'll check with you guys later. Hey you guys, so it's the next morning. I ended up getting super sleepy and I almost fell asleep, but I decided I needed to get the vlogs up, so I went ahead and got them up, did the thumbnails and stuff, and then I just posted them. I didn't even do the links at the end of the videos or anything like that because I was just too tired. So by the time I got done with all that, it was about 1 or 2 in the morning. And then I basically just passed out. I was so tired. So, sorry that this vlog was crappy. But I've had a lot of work on the computer to do and things like that, which isn't fun to vlog. And with David, you know, in and out, for work and stuff, I can't really get him to vlog. So, it's kind of just left up to me. So, but yeah, so anyways, don't forget to give this vlog a thumbs up. If you like it, go ahead and leave us some comments down below. Remember, if you can't be nice, don't say anything at all. And go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any of our other vlogs. And we will see you guys tomorrow. Love you. Bestos. Mwah.